Hello from Taj Murder Medics. I've got a Citroen C2 here on a 2004 plate. Just doing a position lamp. So you see that one there is working. That one isn't. Now position lamp, they're called either side light bulbs, parking lights and all sorts. But to do it, it is quite a simple procedure on this one, especially on this side. And if you wanted to do the passenger side one, again, it is a simple one, but it's a slightly a bit tighter spot. So all you do, remove this. I'm only going to show you. I'm not going to replace anything on this side, but and then you've got this cover right here. If you remove the cover, and then on the inside you see the purple and grey wire, that's for the position lamp. It's a H4 bulb for the main dip bulb and the full beam, and on top here you've got the indicator as well. So if you wanted to replace any of these, you can do it. I'm just going to put this cover back on. Make sure when you do put the cover on, it's in properly, so you don't get any water going inside. And then I'm just going to put this as well. That's it. Now to do this side, again, it's a very easy one. So take the cover off. Once you take the cover off, it is on this one here is the black and the grey wire. So what I'll do, I'll get my hand in there and then pull the whole thing out. So what I did was I pulled it out from here. So I pulled it out towards me. Didn't even have to wiggle. But the bulb you need is a 501, and that can be found in the description, link for it as well, and at the end of the video as well, you'll have a link. If you needed one, you know where to get it from. I've already got a bulb here. I am on my own, so I'm trying to do this and record at the same time. This bulb would only go one way, so if I slot it through, just going to switch the lights off. Right now that I've switched the lights off, I think I'm going to definitely need a spare hand for this. Oh, nope, I don't. That's all in. So what I now do is slot it through that hole right there. This one here, that's what I'm going to slot it through. Sorry you can't see it, but I'll show it to you in a second. Once that's in, as you can see right there, that's nicely in as well. Now to do the H7 bulb, the H4 bulb for the main dip bulb, what you got to do, you got to undo the, take the plug off, and then you've got the spring. As you can see, this bit here, but you don't need to do it from the bottom bit. You do it from the top. So you've got the spring that comes out on one side, and then you've got the other one comes out the other side. So I'm going to just push this back in. That's it. Not really replacing it, but yeah. So it is quite a simple procedure on that as well. With regards to the indicator bulb, it's even easier. As you can see right there, take it out, change the bulb, job done. As you can see right there now, that one there is working, and this one here is working as well. That's all you had to do on this particular model. That's all it was. If there is anything you need to know with regards to Citroen, there is a playlist. You can check it out, as well as bulbs, service resets, tire pressures and everything else. Or leave us a comment below. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.